This is Wesel in the German state of North Rhine-Westphalia. Today it's peaceful, and you would never know that at one time during World War II, war ravaged these lands. This was where Operation Varsity took place, and had you been here in March 1945, this was ground zero. On the 24th of March 1945, Operation Varsity was the largest airborne assault ever conducted in a single day and formed part of the Allied plan to cross the Rhine River and invade the heart of Germany during the final months of World War II. The operation was designed to support Operation Plunder, the river crossing assault carried out by ground forces. Overall command of the Allied forces in the Northwest Europe area rested with General Dwight D. Eisenhower, while the ground offensive was directed by Field Marshal Bernard Montgomery. The airborne operation itself was planned and controlled by Lieutenant General Louis H. Brereton. The assault force consisted of approximately 16,800 airborne troops from two divisions. The American contribution was the 17th Airborne Division, commanded by Major General William M. Miley. The division fielded roughly 9,600 men and included the 507th Parachute Infantry Regiment, the 513th Parachute Infantry Regiment, and the 194th Glider Infantry Regiment. The British contribution was the 6th Airborne Division, commanded by Major General Eric Bowles. It contributed about 7,200 men, including the 3rd and 5th Parachute Brigades and the 6th Air Landing Brigade. To deliver these forces, the Allied assembled a massive air fleet. More than 1,500 transport aircraft and approximately 1,300 gliders carried troops, vehicles, artillery, ammunition and supplies into Germany. The airborne forces were dropped and landed east of the Rhine near the town of Wesel. The objectives were to seize key terrain before German forces could react. The British 6th Airborne Division was tasked with capturing villages, roads, bridges and including areas around Hamminkeln, while the American 17th Airborne Division was ordered to secure forests, road junctions and high ground that could threaten the river crossing. Together they were to prevent German counterattacks and open the way for Allied armies advancing from the west. German defenders belonged mainly to the elements of the 1st Parachute Army, commanded by General Alfred Schelm. Although weakened by months of fighting, German anti-aircraft guns and troops still offered fierce resistance. Transport aircraft and gliders came under intense fire, causing heavy losses before many troops even reached the ground. Despite these difficulties, the operation achieved its objective within hours. Allied airborne forces captured their targets, established defensive positions and linked up with the advancing units of the 21st Army Group. Allied casualties were over 2,000 men, while German losses included several thousand killed, wounded and captured. Operation Varsity was a major success. By securing the eastern bank of the Rhine and disrupting German defences, it enabled the Allies to break into northern Germany. The operation accelerated the final Allied advance, contributing directly to the defeat of Nazi Germany only weeks later in May 1945.